the Dalit perspective is traced to scholars like B.R. Ambedkar, E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar, Jyotiba Phule. What we can do, I can dictate and that is how we will write. क्या तो पहले सुनो थोड़ा सा, फिर we will go in that fashion. I just want to give you a brief idea on Dalit perspective. See, each of these perspective basically reflects that school of thought. है ना, उस स्कूल ऑफ थॉट से इन्होंने इंडियन नेशनल मूवमेंट को इंटरप्रेट किया होता है. यस, सो अंडर अ दलित पर्सपेक्टिव, yes, which is represented by E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar, Jyotiba Phule, and people like B.R. Ambedkar. So they were basically those individuals who were fighting for the rights of Dalit. Yes, so now from their perspective, in fact, Dalit perspective makes a very basic contention against Indian national movement. They say that India is not a nation itself. So how can there be an Indian national movement? Yes, so they believe that India is not a nation. Why? Because for being a nation, fraternity, a sense of belonging amongst the people is essential. A sense of brotherly feeling is essential. Fraternity is essential. But in a caste fragmented society, there is absence of this feeling of fraternity. So in a segmented society like India, each caste represents a nation. So we are not one nation as such. So the Indian national movement or the freedom struggle was not as such a national movement for these sub-nations that exist within this larger country called India. And they say that INC was dominated by the upper caste, the Brahmanical castes, and they did not really take up the cause of the lower castes. Yes, so they were not committed to the cause of the lower caste groups, and they were primarily concerned with preservation of the caste benefits for the Brahmanical group. Yes, and in fact, you find Jyotiba Phule goes to the extent of saying that Peshwa Raj was, British Raj was better than Peshwa Raj, and rather than having a caste-based domination, a foreign rule is better, because foreign rule at least introduced rule of law, introduced equality before law. Yes, so brought an end to caste-based oppression or was working towards that end.